Nature, the physical and pure soul of Earth by means of life and natural occurrence. Technology has taken over our world and has led to changes in its connections with nature. Water, a limited source of energy that we all need in order to survive, has been taken for granted. Food and crops, they all tie into it with water. It will soon become a big problem if we don't help and take action. 7 billion people in this world. Seven billion people in this world. Over 7 billion people in this world. Nature should be appreciated, the simple yet important things in life.